Hi everyone, today we are going to see the types of verbs. One is state verbs, action verbs. Two is main verbs and helping verbs. Three is regular and irregular verbs. Four is transitive and intransitive verbs. But today in this video we are going to see only the helping verbs. But later in the future videos we'll be seeing what are state verbs, action verbs, main verbs, regular verbs, irregular verbs, transitive verbs and intransitive verbs. What is helping verb? The definition of the helping verb is helping verbs have no meaning on their own. They are necessary for the grammatical structure of a sentence. But they do not tell us very much being alone. They help the main verb which has the real meaning in the sentence. What are the importance of helping verbs? Helping verbs are important as they are very important to make the structure of the sentence. They are used to help the main verbs. There are two types of it. They are auxiliary verbs and modal verbs. Also, we do have quasi or semi-modal verbs, which are the subset of modal verbs. Modal verbs tell the mood, which means the attitude of the speaker. Let's see the tabular column in the next slide, which is going to tell you the be verbs, do verbs, have verbs, and the modal verbs. Be verbs, do verbs, have verbs, modal verbs, quasi or semi-modal verbs. There are 5 be verbs: am, is, are, was and were. Do verbs: do, does, did. Have verbs: have, had and has. I repeat, have, has and had. Modal verbs: will, would, shall, should, can, could, may, might and must. Quasi or semi-modal verbs are used to, need, ought, dare.
Thank you.